A federal judge dismisses a lawsuit against Slidefire, the nation's leading manufacturer of bump stocks. Gun rights activists sue the Massachusetts Attorney General. And turns out an anti-gun senator who campaigned on hunting hasn't had a license in 6 years. These stories and more on This Week in Gun Rights. U.S. District Court Judge Gloria Navarro has dismissed a class action lawsuit brought against Slidefire Solutions as a result of the Mandalay Bay shooting. Her decision turned on whether a bump fire stock qualifies as a component part of a firearm under the Protection of Lawful Commerce in Arms Act and is therefore protected from liability due to criminal misuse of an otherwise legal product. Which just makes sense, right? I mean, there would be all kinds of lawsuits if you could just sue manufacturers every single time someone misused their product.
I will personally sue your ex. Sue your ex. I will personally sue your ex. Sue your ex. If I end up on YouTube, I will personally sue your ex.
Two constitutional rights advocates have filed a new lawsuit against Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey after she denied them access to public records about 3D printed guns and other related issues. Plaintiffs Brent Carlton and Brandon Combs each filed 2 requests for public records with the Massachusetts Attorney General's office. But on August 29th, Healey's Assistant Attorney General and Records Access Officer sent Carlton and Combs a letter denying all of the requests, leading to the lawsuit. Apparently, AG Healey thinks that the Public Records Act doesn't apply to her. And she's not the only top cop who thinks that the law doesn't apply to her.
It's impossible! I never broke the law! I am the law!
A sure sign that we're in the heart of political campaign season is the appearance of campaign ads paid for by special interest money on TV, radio, and in our mailboxes. One such special interest, Michael Bloomberg's Everytown for Gun Safety, has endorsed incumbent Democrat governors Andrew Cuomo in New York and Gina Raimondo in Rhode Island, announced Monday that they will be spending as much as $10 million in targeted races in Georgia, Michigan, Nevada, and New Mexico. That's a whole lot of politicians to buy. I mean, they must be getting them buy one, get one free.
Are you a corrupt politician? Or am I being redundant?
Finally, Montana Senator Jon Tester, a red state Democrat, is running for re-election in one of the closest Senate races in this year's election. Now, he's campaigned as a big hunting proponent, sending out mailers to voters that show him on his farm with his gun in hand. But according to Montana Fish, Wildlife, and Parks records, Tester hasn't had a hunting license in 6 years. He last had one in 2012, coincidentally the last time he appeared on the ballot. In fact, records dating back to 2002 indicate that the agency has no records of Tester having a hunting or fishing license for 12 out of the last 16 years. Looks like somebody's got some splaining to do.
A minute, I could explain if I could get in a word in edgewise.
Yeah, just let him get a word in edgewise and he'll...
I would like a logical explanation of it.
Well, I'd like a logical explanation of it, too.
Well, that'll wrap up This Week in Gun Rights. If you like these videos, please remember to like and share them and encourage your friends to do the same. I'm Craig DeLuz with the Firearms Policy Coalition. Thank you for watching.
If you like our videos, follow, subscribe, like, and share.